Eating healthy is of the utmost importance for anyone looking to maintain a healthy lifestyle. Vegetables are an essential part of any diet, providing us with essential vitamins, minerals, and nutrients necessary for our bodies to function properly. Eating the right combination of vegetables can benefit your health in various ways, and one of these benefits is lowering blood sugar levels. In this video, we will explore some of the best vegetable combinations that can help lower blood sugar naturally. Vegetables are not only a delicious part of any meal, but they are also so important to our overall health and wellness. Eating vegetables can have numerous positive impacts on your body and brain. Not only do they provide essential vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and fiber, but eating certain types of veggies have also been linked to reducing the risk for chronic diseases such as heart disease, stroke, and some cancers. The health benefits of consuming vegetables is wide-ranging. Eating an array of different colored veggies ensures that you get all the micronutrients you need each day. Some studies even suggest that eating more plant-based foods can lead to better mental health, higher energy levels, and improved physical performance. Additionally, the fiber in vegetables has been shown to support gut health by helping balance out bacteria in the digestive system while promoting regularity. Vegetables are a great way to get the vitamins, minerals, and other nutrients your body needs. To get the most out of your vegetables, it's important to combine them in creative ways for optimal results. The key is to understand how different vegetables can complement each other nutritionally and taste-wise. For example, combining broccoli with garlic gives you a nutritious meal that is low in fat but high in dietary fiber and protein. When cooked together, they create an incredibly flavorful dish that will satisfy your taste buds while still keeping you healthy. Other combinations like leafy greens with sweet potatoes or root veggies with carrots are also beneficial, as they provide essential vitamins and minerals that work together synergistically for overall health benefits. If you are looking for an easy way to lower your blood sugar, it might be easier than you think. Combining certain vegetables together can create a power punch of vitamins, minerals, and fiber that will help reduce your blood sugar levels. Here are the top 10 vegetable combos that are perfect for lowering your blood sugar. 1. Spinach plus Swiss chard. Both spinach and Swiss chard have high levels of antioxidants, magnesium, potassium, and vitamin C, which all contribute to controlling blood glucose levels. 2. Broccoli plus kale. This nutrient-dense combination provides essential vitamins A, C, and K, along with several trace minerals needed for optimal health and healthy blood sugars. 3. Carrots plus parsley. Both carrots and parsley are high in vitamin K, which helps prevent the breakdown of a protein needed to control blood glucose. 4. Brussels sprouts plus celery. Both Brussels sprouts and celery are known to help reduce inflammation in the body, which is a common cause of high blood sugar. 5. Cabbage plus kale. This combination is rich in vitamin C and fiber, both of which have been shown to help lower blood glucose levels. 6. Cauliflower plus leeks. Both cauliflower and leeks are high in sulfur, which has been shown to help reduce inflammation and helps to lower blood glucose levels. 7. Broccoli plus cabbage. Both broccoli and cabbage are high in fiber and vitamin C, which has been shown to reduce insulin resistance. 9. Tomatoes plus carrots. Both tomatoes and carrots are high in beta-carotene, which can improve insulin sensitivity in the body. 10. Mushrooms plus onions. Both mushrooms and onions are high in selenium, which is a mineral that has been shown to lower insulin resistance. Vegetables are a great way to lower blood sugar and promote overall health, but it can be difficult to know which combinations of vegetables will provide the most benefit. Variety is key when making dietary choices that can help you lower your blood sugar. Mixing up the types of vegetables you consume is even more important than focusing on just one type at a time. Eating the same vegetable over and over again can quickly become boring, so try to think outside the box and explore different combinations of vegetables that work together in harmony. Consider adding a variety of green leafy veggies such as spinach, kale, collard greens, and Swiss chard into your meals for an extra nutritional boost. Additionally, cruciferous veggies like broccoli, cauliflower, and Brussels sprouts are packed with antioxidants that have been shown to help reduce inflammation in the body while also helping regulate blood sugar levels. Eating your veggies is an important part of any healthy diet. Preparing and eating vegetables in the right way can make them both enjoyable and nutritious. Here are some tips for how to prepare and eat veggies so that you get the most out of them. First, start by selecting fresh, ripe produce whenever possible. Check for any bruises or discoloration when you're shopping, as these may indicate that the veggie has lost some of its nutritional value. Once you get home, store them properly in order to preserve their nutrients. Refrigerate leafy greens like spinach and kale, but leave root vegetables like potatoes out at room temperature away from direct sunlight. If you buy a lot of fresh produce, consider buying a vegetable basket so that you can keep it all in one place. As for what to do with your veggies, there are lots of ways to prepare them in order to maximize their health benefits. If you're making a salad, opt for a light dressing or use lemon juice or vinegar instead of oil. A green salad with a little bit of olive oil and vinegar is still a healthy choice. If you're making a stir fry, you can get away with using less oil by using coconut or another plant-based oil instead. If you're making a soup or stew, consider using broth instead. It's not as good for you as water, but it will still contain some of the nutrients from the veggies. If you're making a casserole, try using less cheese and more veggies. In summary, eating vegetables is an easy and delicious way to lower blood sugar levels. The combinations of various veggies, fruits, and proteins suggested in this video can help you create new meals that are both healthy and enjoyable. Not only will these meals help you to maintain a healthy lifestyle, but they will also help to keep your blood sugar levels in check. So if you're looking for a simple way to stay healthy and keep your blood sugar at bay, don't underestimate the power of veggies.